So for this question, it's really just about understanding what a zero is and the remainder theorem. So if you have a zero, that's a synonym for an x-intercept, which is the most important synonym, I would say. It also means solution or root. Now, if you have a x-intercept or a zero, that means that the factor is really the opposite value. So let me explain what I mean by that. Let's say, for example, you had this function, and we'll call it f of x. If I wanted my x-intercept, I would make y 0, and I would factor and solve. I get x plus 3 times x plus 2. We know the zero product property says for 2 or 3 quantities or however many to multiply to get 0, at least one of them must be 0. So either x plus 3 is 0 or x plus 2. And when you solve it, notice the signs flip. And so we get those two solutions. So keep in mind, solutions are x-intercepts are zeros. So if they're saying 2 is a 0, that's like saying x equals 2. So the factor would be x minus 2. So when they're saying, and I guess they're using c instead of x, but the concept's the same, what's the remainder when it's divided by that? Think about the x squared plus 5x plus 6 scenario. That already factored to this. If you divide it by either of its factors, let's say x plus 3, do you get a remainder? No, it goes in perfectly. So what's the remainder? 0.